Since 2017, Bellwether has been helping Cheyenne homeowners with siding and window replacement. In a wide open environment like Cheyenne, homeowners want to know that their homes are safeguarded with up-to-date, high-quality windows and siding products that will hold up in high winds and baking sun, and that being in a more remote location will last a lifetime with no need for heavy maintenance or repairs. Bellwether has been leading Denver and Aurora in siding and window replacement since 2017. We have team members up and down the I-25 corridor, and the conditions in Cheyenne are as familiar to us as any Colorado community. We install resilient and durable James Hardie fiber cement siding on homes in locations like Cheyenne because they are tough enough for any environmental factor of plains living. Fiber cement siding is the perfect siding choice for any Cheyenne area homeowner. Wyoming weather can change in an instant, but James Hardie fiber cement siding holds up under any conditions: high winds, snow and ice, baking sun, and temperature shifts. What's more, with the most generous warranties on the market, James Hardie's fiber cement siding is incredibly low maintenance, making it the ideal siding product for Cheyenne residents. This siding product is designed to last a lifetime, holding up in any weather without warping, softening, peeling, or cracking. Most importantly, James Hardie fiber cement siding has the highest fire rating available. Plains fires can be a concern, and with high winds blowing through Cheyenne, the risk increases rapidly. But James Hardie fiber cement is designed to resist spark and flame, protecting your home from even the most threatening conditions. Siding replacement isn't just about performance, however, and at Bellwether we've always believed that beauty and function go hand in hand. Bellwether can help you take your design in any direction, but always with the superior protection of James Hardie fiber cement siding. With James Hardie fiber cement siding, you can achieve your dream home design with the peace of mind that James Hardie products and Bellwether installation are both backed for life. Fiber cement siding is versatile and adaptable. Pressed in a factory-controlled setting to mimic the grain of wood, it can be purchased in a number of shapes and sizes to match any siding profile and any design goal. Your home exterior reflects your lifestyle and the rugged beauty of Cheyenne living. Our sales team utilizes Hover to create 3D renderings of your home exterior that can be manipulated in real time to try on different designs. But what won't change is the color of your James Hardie fiber cement siding. Using Color Plus technology and a 15-year warranty to back it, James Hardie fiber cement siding never fades, even after years under the baking sun. Our long list of Colorado and Cheyenne customers can attest to our knowledge of the area and how your location impacts your home siding needs. Siding replacement isn't just about repairing damaged siding, and other siding contractors might not make recommendations based on local trends, needs, and climate. Siding replacement is a big investment, and in a hard-working community like Cheyenne, you don't want to add home maintenance or hunting down the right contractor to the list. When you work with Bellwether, you're selecting a team of locals who can help you meet your needs and goals with 100% satisfaction, guaranteed.